from the 11 on 2nd and 3. Tebow takes off, throws to the end zone, touchdown! 3rd down and 7. Barber breaks free, lost the football. Barber fumbles. And it is recovered by the Broncos. Matt Prater from 51 yards out for the win. The kick is good.
Jacobs behind Hanaski. He has it to the right side. He goes and he's in for the touchdown. Oh, unbelievable. Unbelievable. That's, I think, Pierre Paul who got a hand on it.
2nd and goal from the 6. Looking end zone, fires, touchdown! Kevin Walter makes the catch.
Please welcome newest starting pitcher of your Los Angeles Angels, C.J. Wilson. Number 5 for your Angels, Albert Pujols.
Last year, Cincinnati won by 20 at home. This year, it's going to be a lopsided win for Xavier in their building. And now an altercation, and this is the last thing you want to see. The bench is clear. With 9 seconds to go in a blowout.
We got disrespected a little bit before the game. Guys calling us out. We're a tougher team. We're grown men over here. We got a whole bunch of gangsters in the locker room. Not thugs, but tough guys on the court. And we went out there and zipped them up at the end of the game. That's our motto, zip them up.
If somebody put their hands in your face or try to do something to you, where we from, you're going to do something back. You know, we're not going to sit there and get our face beat in by somebody like Nancy Gates or somebody. We don't let that happen.
2-point lead, no timeouts for Indiana. Jones. Watford for the win! Yes!